Hi kids, in today's video we are going to review chapter number 5, which was about Salah, prayer or namaz in the form of its activities. Here we have activity 1, which is about answering some questions, and activity 2, which is about fill in the blanks with the words given below. So let's start with the activity 1. Here we have 4 questions. Question number 1 says, how many Salah we offer in a day? Tell their names. So kids, in this question we have 2 different parts. In the first part we have to tell how many Salah we offer in a day. So these questions are kind of a quick recap of the chapter that we read in the previous video. As we remember, we offer 5 times Salah in a day. And their names would be, so let's start writing the answers as well. So we have written over here, I have utilized my own space provided to me. Kids, you can write on your own notebooks or activity books properly. So here we have the answer number 1 of the part that says how many Salah we offer in a day. We offer, so the answer for the question number 1 is we offer Salah 5 times a day. Part number 2 of question number 1 says tell their names. Kids, remember we learned 5 names of our Salah. So let's write over here. So here we have the answer for part 2, Fajr, Zohar, Asr, Maghrib and Isha. So this is the complete answer for question number 1, which asks how many Salah we offer in a day, tell their names. So the answer is we offer Salah 5 times a day. The names are Fajr, Zohar, Asr, Maghrib, Isha. Let's move to the question number 2. Where do the Muslims offer their Salah? Now we have to tell the place of worship. The Muslims offer their Salah in mosques. So we can say the answer is the Muslims offer their Salah in mosque. Question number 3 says, where do the Hindus worship? This information you will get from the second page of your chapter number 5, in which we had 3 pictures related to the places of different religions' worship places. So, remember kids, the Hindus worship in the temples. So we are supposed to write it over here. So here is the answer for question number 3. The Hindus worship in the temple. The last question for the first activity. Where do the Sikhs worship? The Sikhs worship in their Gurdwara. The Sikhs worship in the Gurdwara. So here we have completed activity number 1 related to chapter 5, which is about Salah, prayer or namaz, in which we completed 4 different questions and we had their answers. Answer number 1, number 2, number 3 and number 4. Now kids, let's move to activity 2, which is about fill in the blanks with the words given below. As you can see, we have been given 3 different words as church, worship and ablution. And we have 3 different blanks. So let's see which word fits in which blank. Blank number 1 says, dash is a way to recall Allah Almighty. Worship. Worship is a way to recall Allah Almighty. Second is, dash is performed before Salah. If you remember kids, we learned about making ourselves neat and clean before performing our Salah or prayer. And the process to make ourselves neat and clean is called ablution, which we call wuzu in Urdu. So ablution is performed before Salah. So here we are going to write the word ablution. Last blank we have is about the Christians worship in the dash. That is church. As we remember, we learned about different places of worship related to the other religions other than Islam. So church is the place of worship where Christians perform their worship or prayers. So the correct word to be filled here is church. So that's all with activity 2, in which we filled these blanks with their respective words as has been provided to us. I hope you enjoyed today's video in which we completed activity 1. I hope kids you enjoyed today's activity 1 and activity 2 related to our chapter 5. I hope kids you enjoyed today's activity 1 and activity 2 related to chapter number 5, in which we discussed few questions and answered them, and we found out which word to be placed in which blank. Till then, take care of yourselves. Bye.